Here's my bird, beautiful bird Romeo. There he is, walking. He thinks quite a bit. Keeps legs looking. Continues looking. And that's Romeo. Right there, curious, as always. Likes to see himself on the camera. Thinking. Looking. He's thinking, who is this? Who is this Romeo? Looks exactly like you. Doesn't he? Look at that. Hey? He likes to look on different angles. There he is. Likes to walk on our hands. He's got a okay grip. Turns around and walks up and turns around. And then climbs up and then he rests. He likes to watch and be close to us. He's not thinking. Trying to test out the frame. Let's see if he will. Oh, there he saw something. Oh, he's up, running up and above, hiding. And he's on the other side. Here he is. He's gonna try and bite my ear. No, maybe not. His beaks are pretty sharp. And that's Romeo in a nutshell.